In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert illustrations in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Excel's built-in artwork and how to place it cleanly on your sheet so your data looks polished and easy to understand. First, make sure your workbook is open and you can see the ribbon at the top of Excel. We'll begin by clicking Insert on the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps everything you add to a sheet that isn't raw data, from charts to images. If your window is narrow, the ribbon might compress. In that case, look for the Insert tab name, or expand the ribbon so you can see all the groups clearly. Next, click Icons. Icons are high-quality, scalable graphics that look crisp at any size, and they're perfect for labeling sections, highlighting key metrics, or making dashboards easier to scan. When you click Icons, Excel opens a gallery with categories and a search bar. Browse or type a keyword to find what you need. You can select one or multiple icons at once, then confirm to place them on your sheet. They'll drop onto the canvas ready to move, resize, and style. If you don't immediately see icons on your ribbon, or you want to explore related artwork, click Illustrations. This is the group that contains icons, and depending on your screen size or Excel version, it may appear as a button that expands to show options like icons, pictures, shapes, and more. Clicking Illustrations helps you get back to that icons option if it's tucked away, and it's also a quick way to discover other visual elements you might use alongside icons. Once your icons are in the sheet, click and drag a corner handle to resize while keeping proportions intact. Use the Graphics Format tab that appears when an icon is selected to change the fill color, add outlines, or apply quick styles so the icon matches your theme. If an icon covers a cell you need to edit, just move it slightly or right-click to adjust its order relative to other objects. For clean alignment, nudge with the arrow keys, or use Align tools to line up multiple icons evenly. If accessibility matters for your audience, consider adding alt text so screen readers can describe the graphic's purpose. That's all there is to it. Click Insert, click Icons, and when needed, click Illustrations to reveal or revisit your illustration options. With just these actions, you can quickly enhance your spreadsheets and guide attention to what matters most. Thanks for watching, and try adding a few icons to your next report to see the difference.